it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is for July 2019, and this is an intro to my kit. Now I know that Daisy had posted a inspiration image, and it was very beach themey, but I wasn't feeling it this month. So I did a lot of beach pages in the month of June, and so I was wanting to go for something a little bit different for the month of July. So these are the colors that I went with. Now I'm also combining this with the 4x4 that RTS Janet does. She is doing double page layouts for her summer 4x4, and I'm only going to be doing singles. Mine will be 12x12. I don't know at this point today whether I'll do one photo for the first page, 2 photos for the second, 3 for the third, or 4 for the fourth. I will challenge myself to try to do that because that is not something I normally would do, but I am going to go for it. I'm going to try my best. So, but I wanted to show you the kit that I put together. I used a couple of collections, and what she did is she had a paper pad. I will leave a link to her channel below. If you guys have never heard of her, I don't know where you've been, because everybody talks about her. She is amazing. She is such a teacher. She has such a teacher's heart, and she just explains things so well, and you just gotta love her. So even though we've been scrapping for about the same amount of time, I'm still learning things, and I know that she is as well. And some of the things that she's doing is stuff that we used to do years ago. So I remember those days. So let me just go ahead and show you the kit. So this page right here, this paper, is from the Well Hello, which is my mind's eye. I'm only going to show you what I intend on using. This is my inspiration page here. I love the colors in it. To me, it screams summer. So I took all the colors from this page right here. This one is also from the same collection, Well Hello, and I love this yellow. And then this one is from Flourish. It is from Maggie Holmes, and it's the Nostalgic. Now, I love the color, and I love the pop of black. So let's see how this goes with the rest of the collection. This came out in the fall, so or even winter. So let's see how I can incorporate that and have that work pretty well with what I've selected. So here's another piece from My Mind's Eye, Well Hello. I love the stripe. And then, you know, what she suggests is to have 4 main pieces of cardstock, and the 5th one you leave whole. So I am going to use this diagonal stripe, this black and white. This I got from Chasing Adventures, which is the embellishments that I am using. So that is, I'm going to leave this one whole, but these 4 I'm going to cut. And then I am, these are from the Chasing Adventure from the paper pad. I am going to use these for matting my pages on. So that, here's all the papers I've chosen. There are 5 Mondays in the month of July. So that means that there's this today. I will introduce my kit, and then for the following Mondays it will be one of the pages from the 4x4. Now I am not going to show how I cut these. Please look at the link below. That'll show you exactly how to cut it. I wrote them down. you know, she suggests to write them down and to number your page. So I have the floral as paper number 1, the yellow paper number 2, and I've already written down how to cut them. Don't follow my directions because this makes sense to me. It may not make sense to other people. So I also suggest you watching her video as well to figure out how to cut the paper. And then the pink was number 4. And then she said some alpha, too large, too small. So I have done that. Here is the too large. I decided to use this. I used this last month. And then I have 2 sheets here because I use black a lot. I pulled the white for the small, and I also, let's see if you can see this. This is from Freckle Fawn. I have 2 of these here, so this is for the small as well. So there is my alpha. You know, normally I don't pull the alpha. I'm going to this time. I'm going to see if I can make it work. Oh, I have another alpha too. This I got, I don't know if you can see, these different colors. And I thought that the colors went well. I got that from the giveaway table at the retreat that I went to in March. And then the embellishments that oh, let me show you. I don't have any border strips, but I did pull some washi. I pulled these 3. I have been better. Have you noticed? I have been better using washi. So these are the 3 that I'm pulling for this kit. I totally anticipate using those. And then she said to pull a 6x6 pad. I have the 6x8 by Chasing Adventures. I just took the tape off of it today. I don't know if I'll be using any of that, but I'm going to pull it anyway. And then for embellishments, I have, I believe I got all of this at Joann's. So I have this ephemera pack. There's 2 of them from Chasing Adventures. I haven't even opened them. There's that one, and this one has tags. Let's see if I'll use that one up. And then here are the puffy stickers, which are so fun. I'm going to try to use that one. And I pulled these frames with the little pom-poms on them. And this is from Willow Lane from Maggie Holmes. So I really like the pink. So we'll see if I can get that one used up. Now, I also pulled my Distress Oxide. These are the only 3 colors I have. I haven't used them in a couple of months. I really like them. So I'm going to try to incorporate that into my pages, whether using a stencil or whatever. So that is all I pull from my kit. You know that I'm going to pull sequins. I don't know what else I'll have, but wish me luck on getting all the photos done. I'm really excited to get this started. I hope you guys join us. Remember to follow us on our Facebook challenge group page that Daisy is the hostess this month, and she'll be having a giveaway. So what you do is you go into the folder for the month of July, and you upload your kit and your pages into that. That is the way that we're able to keep up with the people who are participating in it. Because there are 5 Mondays, you have 5 entries that you can enter. Last month there was only 4 Mondays, so there's only 4 entries. So it is all good. So thanks guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure you check out the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday group. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.